Kuna panya kwangu guys. There's a rat in my house. Mimi sijui iliingililia wapi, but I saw one. So in today's video, we are going to do an evening routine. So I was out the whole day and I got some shopping. So we are just going to unpack, to clean and to cook. And we will, I think, go to the following day in the morning because yeah, it was a lot of work for one night. So we start this video by, of course, clearing the sink. So guys, I don't know if it's me alone, but mimi kazi ya kusugua sufuria ilinishinda kabisa. So I'm here just washing the utensils first. I clear the sink and then I arrange the utensils in the rack. Yeah, and then we now start on the cooking part. So pardon me if you see that my sufurias are not as clean as you think they should be. So anyway, if you're new here, please subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos. Halafu guys, me, I don't know why, but views lately have been bad. Views zimekuwa mbaya. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I just don't know. But if you have watched up to this point and you can see, like, kama unaweza nisikia saizi, please just leave a comment down below. Leave a comment down below so that I don't know, the YouTube algorithm starts to love me again, because I don't like the way it's going. Anyway, regardless of what is going on, we move. So now I blanch my veggies, so that is I just boil them slightly and then cook them when I'm cooking them, like now completely. So I also got I was at the market actually, and I got a few things. Everything that you'll see in this video is less than 500 bob. The market is good because the potatoes were 50 bob each. Hizo green beans zilikuwa 30 bob, the orange was 50 bob, the onions were, I don't know, 50 bob. And then I wanted to make some apple cider vinegar, and that is why I got the pineapples. So these pineapples, they look kind of rusty on the outside, but on the inside they were good, and they were being sold for 20 shillings, which is quite unusual because saizi apples ziko very expensive. So I'm going to make apple cider vinegar from scratch, like scratch. Sina that, I don't even have that inaitwa the mother. I don't have it. I'll just be making everything from scratch. So hapa, I'm just arranging everything on the rack and getting everything together. I just unpacking and arranging. So I normally cut the ends of the carrots. They stay fresher for longer. I don't know where I learned it, but I have been doing it for quite some time. And yeah, my carrots have been okay. They remain fresh for a very long time because I also put them in the fridge anyway, in plastic bags. So guys, again, please remember to like, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. This is a chill video. And yeah, let's see what we do in the next part.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. day. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
So we don't throw away ugali bana. So I'm using the old ugali to make the new ugali. I don't know, you cut it into small pieces and then you boil it together with your ugali water, and when it boils you add flour and you cook ugali as normal. And by the way, it's sweeter this way. I don't know why, but I love it. So again guys, if you're joining here, please remember to like, to share and to subscribe, and God bless you as you continue watching this video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue
I wanted these jars for storage, and I got them at a shop in Dubai. It's a shop that sells packaging materials. If you want it, you can comment below and I'll hook you up, because they were like the cheapest that I could get, and also they were good quality. And so this is everything now after I have cleared the kitchen. So mark you, I have not packed the food that we had washed and kept, because paka tungoje zikauke. And this is how my kitchen was clean, but just for a moment, because after this I again made tea, because now this was the following morning. Uchafu tushatupa. Our people, our dirt collectors had already come and taken the dirt away. So this is what we have now. So as I was explaining, this is now the food. The following morning, you see everything has dried up, so I'll just pack it and put it, like I'll pack it and keep it. That's basically it. Alafu, as I was explaining, if you want to buy some glass jars, then the best place that you can get them is in this packaging shop. So there's one at Dubois, inaitwa kwa Muhindi. It's just around Ken Silver. they have really affordable stuff, but I was told that there is another one near Koja that is even cheaper, but I did not go those sides. It was too far for me, and probably maybe the price difference could have been kidogo. Anyway, I also have this spice grinder that I got at 800 shillings kitambo from these people who import from China. So it comes in handy when I want to grind my spices. And finally, for this video, we are going to make apple cider vinegar. So guys, if you don't know the benefits of apple cider vinegar, I think you just need to Google. But the thing is damn expensive. Like if you go to buy it from the supermarket, it is so expensive. And also the white vinegar is the one that is cheap, but is not as beneficial as the apple cider vinegar. So kitambo I was making it, and then I stopped making it. I don't know, I just became lazy. So I decided, because I really need to use apple cider vinegar right now, so I decided that I am going to make mine from scratch. I have started keeping locks again, and the apple cider vinegar comes in handy when you're washing your locks and you're removing the build up. So this process will take me about a month or 2 months actually, because the longer it stays, the better it becomes. So for every cup of water, I was using 2 spoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar. And yeah, that was it. So you just cut the apples in pieces. You make sure that there is no space. I mean, like when you lock it, you make sure that hapo juu kusikwe na air space, so you have to have a weight to press it down. If you don't have a weight, you can get innovative and use water. Like you use water, what is it called, like water, you put water in a plastic bag and then you put it on top and it acts as a weight. So this is the last thing you are going to make, and I'll check on it after 2 weeks. Yeah, probably after 2 weeks we will remove now the apples, and then we will continue the fermentation process for 1 more month. Sasa hii ni apple cider vinegar that I will probably use hapo January, and yeah, hopefully itakuwa poa. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video as we finish up with the cider. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment, please like, and please share, so that my videos can be recommended to a lot more people. Also, thank you so much if you have always been here to support me. I don't take it for granted. Hizo views kidogo tu zenye napata, I thank God for them. Yeah, and yeah, that is it for today's video. We finish up with this pineapple. I make this and then I boil hizo zinaitwaje maganda to make that apple juice, pineapple juice that can be used as stock when I'm making some fruit juices. Yeah, and that's it for this video. God bless you, and see you in my next video.